What's up, y'all? This is Rosa back again. The video stopped. I don't know why. But anyways, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Click the bell to be notified when I drop the video. Show you the ingredients, what I'm about to be doing. I'm making stuffed bell peppers. This is my first time making these, y'all. So, I rinsed my bell peppers off. You will need 6 bell peppers. I got 3 in red, 2 in yellow, orange. I didn't get no green. You could get whatever color you want. You will need this because I seen Gina Young. She used this, so I'm kind of using her recipe, but I'm going to put my own twist on it. So she uses this to put in her pan. Okay. Already rinsed that out. And she also uses this. I eat this, but I never used it in here. So I'm going to use it in the recipe tonight. Red beans and rice. And then also I use some of my Italian sausage melt. I only use 2 out of here. And I got my small ground beef. And then I put some W sauce in my hamburger and I got a little onion. So let's get started, y'all. So this is the hamburger setup. So I'm about to turn it on. Because hamburger do not cook long, y'all. So I already got my onions, my Italian sausage. And we gonna cut these bell peppers up, you guys. If you hear anything in the background, I'm gonna show y'all like that. I'm gonna cut these peppers up. You wanna cut it like that and take the seeds out. I'm gonna take the seeds out. This is the top. Hold on, be quiet, y'all. Got that out. So y'all just watching the hamburger, so I took that out. You see that? Keep the tops. You can use that for decoration. Or put it in the... But like I said, I got the water bleaching for the peppers. You know, you just want to cook them till they tender. Because they're going to cook in the oven. Here's the other one, the second one. Sorry if I'm shaking, y'all. Not to you, apologize. I got y'all on a new stand. So I'm just doing all these while y'all watching the hamburger for me. Here's the other one. Hey, I'm on a video. Y'all can go back upstairs. Sorry. What? My niece said hey, y'all. Zuri, all of them say hi. I'm just taking the pepper got in my eye, damn it. Pepper got in my eye, y'all. Ooh. Not all the way, but the juice skirted. Because I'm trying to clean it out. So, I got the yellow one out. The water's over there going. I'm doing this. This don't even got no thing on it. Okay, got that one out. Hope y'all enjoying the video. I cleaned that one out. We gonna use some of these bell peppers. We're just cutting them up. Use some of these. Now I'm gonna get this hamburger. Hope y'all having a good Friday. So I'm just cutting these up, you guys. Don't mind them in the background. You hear that? Y'all loud. I'm just cutting this up. Put some of the peppers, these. Just sprinkle them in there. That's all I'm gonna use. Next, I'm gonna cut this last pepper, y'all. I don't know what happened to this one. Y'all see that? So I got all the peppers cut up. I ain't want y'all to see all that. So I got the peppers. Now I'm about to throw this stuff away. Just wash my hands. I thought it was gonna be a quiet video, y'all, but kids came down here. Let me wash my hands. Uh-oh. Sorry, y'all. We're just washing the peppers out again. Next, y'all, I'm gonna chop these up. Hold on. Get this going. So my water been boiling. Let me turn this down. And let me add in my onion powder. Onion powder. Comment down below what y'all having for dinner tonight on this Friday. Garlic powder. You don't need a lot of salt because the red beans and rice, you got enough in there. So I'm about to add my peppers in there in a minute. And it says let them cook for like 7 to 8 minutes. So I'm gonna put this right here. I'm gonna get my water boiling for my rice, red beans and rice. Then wash my hands. So I'm washing my hands, washing my dishes. And we about to pour this rice in there. I might have to cut this video out so y'all can see the end result. So y'all always say, we want to see the end. I just don't want to be long and boring. Ooh. So this thing, let me get my measuring cup. I don't see my measuring cup. So I'm gonna use this cup. I'm gonna use this right now. So how many cups? I'm gonna use like 2 cups of rice. So 2 cups of rice. I'm gonna use how much? 3 cups of water, I guess. See. So I'm gonna fill up 3 cups of water with 2 cups of rice. 1. I'm gonna do 3 cups of water. I did that much water for my rice, red beans and rice. Got that going. So that could be going. So I'm just stirring it up, y'all. Hey, y'all too loud. Sorry, y'all. I'm just mixing my hamburger up, y'all. Yeah. That's why I don't do videos, y'all. Kids. They need to be in their own house upstairs. I thought I was by myself for real. I should have locked that door. So just let this get around. The water is hot enough for the peppers to go in now. So let's put the peppers in. So I got my pan. So just let them go. Mila, you about to piss me off.
I'm not even doing anything.
I'm trying to do a video. So I got the peppers in there. Let me add a little bit more water to it. A little bit more water to this. I'm gonna cut this off and I just add a little bit more water to it. So yeah, they want to keep being loud, y'all. So I do apologize. Cause I'm about to slide it, yeah. That's what I'm about to do. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of oregano. Let me get my top to my pepper. And just let it go. Like that. For 7 to 8 minutes. I wonder if I could set it on there. So put a little bit of oregano in there. And that's it for that one. I don't know. Y'all ain't gonna watch no whole ass video. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Click the bell to be notified when I drop the video. I'm gonna do part 2. Bring y'all back once the rice and the peppers cook and the hamburger cook, and I'm gonna bring y'all for part 2 so y'all can see me stuffing it and putting it in the oven. Okay, is that a deal? All right, peace out.